Today I'm showing you how to make your Facebook account public on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook app. Open the Facebook app on your Android phone. You'll be taken to the Facebook homepage where you can view posts and stories from friends and pages. Step 2. Go to Menu. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner, the 3 horizontal lines. Step 3. Tap Settings. Step 4. Access Audience and Visibility. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Step 5. Tap How People Can Find and Contact You. Step 6. Change Friend Request Settings. Under Your Friends section, tap Who Can Send You Friend Requests. Select Everyone to allow anyone to send you friend requests. Step 7. Save Changes. Tap Save to confirm the change. Step 8. Go back to the previous page and tap Followers and Public Content. Step 9. Enable Public Followers. Tap Who Can Follow Me. Change the setting to Public so anyone can follow you. Step 10. Save Follower Settings. Tap Save below to confirm. Step 11. Change Other Public Settings. In the same Followers and Public Content section, change these additional settings to Public. Public Post Comments, Public Post Reactions, Who Can See Your Posts. Tap Save after each change. What making your account public means. Anyone can send you friend requests, anyone can follow you, your public posts are visible to everyone, your profile information is searchable, and non-friends can see your public content. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now public and anyone can find you, follow you, and send friend requests on your Android device.